Okay, so hi everyone. This is Mahesh here. We are from Malkajgiri, Hyderabad, and my wife Yamini. So उनको ना actually like last February से थोड़ा back pain का problem start हुआ था and over a period of time बढ़ गया था. तो डॉक्टर के पास गए थे so that 5-10 days of treatment was working out, but in November, right, it became a major problem. She was not able to move. तो उसके बाद फर्स्ट टाइम वी विजिटेड डॉक्टर डिड टेक इनटू कॉन्फिडेंस दैट इट कैन बी ट्रीटेड विदाउट सर्जरी, बट समवेयर दे टोल्ड अस वेरी क्लियरली लाइक 1% देयर आर चांसेस बिकॉज स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में जहाँ पर गैप आया था, राइट, दैट वाज ऑफ अ सिवियर नेचर. इट वाज नॉट इवन माइल्ड. सो वी वर लाइक, आई विल नॉट से अंडर डिप्रेशन, बट इट हैड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन इन माइंड, राइट, बिकॉज शी इज़ हार्डली लाइक 32 now. And after that we started to, I mean, people came to know about her, not like we started to find out, people came to know about her, and there was one of a suggestion which has come from a person who is visiting this from at least like 10-15 years. So in their families, whenever they have an issue with the any type of bone related problem, right, so they always visit this place, and they suggested to take a look at it and also like undergo the treatment. For sure, like she was guaranteeing that things will improve. So I personally came down, Dr. Shabir, like he took me into confidence, and then the treatment started in the first week of December.
Yeah. My name is Yamini. I'm coming from Malkajgiri, and I'm suffering this from last February, and there is a severe pain, back pain, numbness on my left leg. I'm very scared about that. How can I do my work continue? But one day someone suggests me to come here. I will come, and in first or second sitting I feel very well and comfortable. I don't know what is happening. Something magic is there. I feel very nice and comfortable. I want to thank Dr. Shabir, Dr. Shabbat, and Prafta ma'am, who make me comfortable and well, support me and manipulate me very nicely, very well. Now I am very much comfortable, and almost I'm ready to go out. Thank you.
You were suffering from which problem?
Spine.
Spine. And for how long you were suffering, madam?
Almost 1 year.
1 year. So which treatment did you do? Did you go for an orthopedic surgeon?
Yeah.
So what did the doctors tell you for it?
First of all, doctor tell me it is very severe case. You have to go with surgery.
Surgery.
But someone told me, and I come here.
So you were suffering from L5-S1 disc,
Yeah. I'm suffering from L5.
and your leg also was radiating pain, right?
Yeah. I have numbness,
You were
tingling
able,
sensation. I'm not
Wait.
able to stand properly.
and
not-
were you able to
not-
walk?
No.
This is your, you came on 5th December 2020,
Yeah.
and today is
My fourth sitting.
4th sitting, that is
Yeah.
18th January 2021.
Yeah.
So how much percentage of relief are you having for it within this 1.5 month?
I think I'm 80% okay.
80% okay.
Yeah.
Still the time is being going on, so you have to take a bit of rest, and you will be, within 15 days you will be almost all right, madam.
Yeah. Yeah.
And do you want to wish the people anything?
I want to tell you everyone, if you have any sort of bone issues and any surgical issues, please come here. Take care yourself with this opportunity, and take care of yourself.
Thank you very much, madam.